Hi student, today we are going to discuss about classification of threatened species. In last period we discussed about biodiversity. Biodiversity is important. There are three types of biodiversity: genetic biodiversity, ecosystem biodiversity, and all these biodiversities are important, which can prevent any type of pollution. And the rare species of plants and animals we have to save with help of biodiversity. So in this period we are going to start the next point, that is a classification of threatened species of animals. We know that in the environment, due to the pollution, different types of pollution, air, water, or soil pollution, different species of plant, different species of animals are existence from the environment. So today we are aware about to save these animals which are existence from the environment, which are vanishes from the environment. So our duty to protect these animals, and the population of these animals are increases day by day. We have to save these species of animals which are vanishes from the environment. So we have to discuss about which are the animals are rarer. We have to be found into the nature. So look at this classification of threatened species. In this point, classification of threatened species of animals, most of the animals which are present into the environment, but population explosion or industrialization or due to overuse of vehicles, soil, air pollution, and water pollution increases. So the environment get polluted. So these species of animals are destroyed from the environment. So our duty to protect the rare species of animals. So look at this classification of threatened species. In this point, we have to classify such animals which are threatened species, which are rarer species of animals, which are very few number of animals are present into the environment. There are four types of threatened species of animals. These are as endangered species. Look at this endangered species of animals due to the shy behavior, and due to the behavior of these animals are extinct from the nature. These animals are vanishes from the nature. So, for example, lion-tailed monkey and lizard florican. These are the animals are exist from the environment. So we have to increase number of these animals into the environment. These are the rare species of animals, and due to the behavior of these animals, they are existence from the environment. Number two, rare species of animals. Look at this. These animals are found into the environment at this condition in which most of the environment get be polluted, and due to this environment polluted, these animals are endangered species. So rare species of these animals such as red panda and musk deer, these are the animals which are rare species. We cannot find easily red panda and musk deer because population of these animals are very little amount. So these animals are rare species of animals. Next point, valuable species, tiger and lion. We know that these are the animals are carnivorous animals, but due to the deforestation, overpopulation of a human being, and also industrialization, we have to cut the trees. So these animals are valuable species or endangered species. The population of a tiger and lion are in a small amount. So we have to save the tiger and lion in the surrounding, in the environment. We have to save the plant. We have to plant the more plant the trees in our surrounding, in our environment, to save the species of tiger and lion in the environment. Last, indeterminate species. Indeterminate species in which giant squirrel or shrew. These animals are also indeterminate. We cannot find number of animals giant squirrel in the forest. Look at this. So all these species of animals are threatened because the population of these animals are very few. Because due to the deforestation and industrialization, we have to stop, we have to vanish the species of these animals. So our duty of a human being, we have to protect these animals. The population of these animals are increasing day by day. So we have to protect these animals, and we have to save these rare species of animals and plants. So in this way we have to completed the classification of threatened species of animals. In this topic we have to study the environment. Environment is important for a human being. In a environment, biotic and abiotic factors are present. Biotic factors means all animals, plants and human beings are present. So to protect the environment, to save the environment, our duty to save the rare species of animals which are extinct from the environment. We have to save these type of animals which are destroyed from the environment. So we have to protect, or we have to save the plants. We have to cultivate the number of plants in our surrounding. So always we have to keep the environment, keep and clean the environment. So all these threatened species of animals we have to be protected in a next year or in a next version. So these are threatened species like as a red panda, musk deer, lion-tailed monkey, tiger, lion, giant squirrel. All these animals are very important. They can clean. The work of these animals are very important. They clean the environment. So we have to protect them. All these threatened species of animals.